Whatever your credit repair needs are, I'm going to show you how you can get it deleted using AI. Let's go. All right, so first you want to go to the Derain de Levante website. So let's go to Google. All right, let's go to Google. Stay signed out. So let's go to Google and let's type in Derain de Levante. All right, you're going to see the website. You're going to click on it, right? Once you're here, you can check out all the cool stuff, guys. There's a lot of stuff here you can check out. But where I want you to go is right here, store. All right, so you're going to go to store, and this is going to bring you here. Now, inside of store, this is where the magic happens, right? You can find all the templates, everything that I've ever done, all the books I've written, dispute letters, flashcards, so on and so forth. My newest book, How to Punch a Debt Collector in the Throat, legally, right? Using consumer laws and case laws. But that's not what I want to show you. I want to show you guys forbidden AI right here. Forbidden AI, guys, forbidden AI. Forbidden AI is the fastest, the most accurate way to get anything deleted from your credit. So let's dive into it. So Forbidden AI has a whole, as you can see, like people are just buying this stuff. As you can see, there was a sale 30 minutes ago, right? We have how to vacate a default judgment. So let me talk about when would you want to vacate a default judgment. Let's say that your wages are being garnished, or you were supposed to go to court and you did not go to court. You did not get served. You did not get a summons. They didn't mail it to you. There was no process service. So you weren't served. So you didn't know there was a court date, or you were medically ill and you could not make the court date, or some life event happened and you could not make it to court, right? You can put in a motion to vacate default judgment. So you're going to need this vacate default judgment template right here, right? Now, when we talk about check systems, there's a lot of you that's inside of check systems, whether you have overdraft an account or something happened and you had to close down a bank account, but now you're trying to open a new bank account and you cannot. That simply means that you're inside of check systems and you need to get out. So this is the playbook of how you're going to get out of check systems. A lot of you may have your wages being garnished. This is the guide to beating the garnishment, okay? And we're talking about early warning systems. A lot of you are also in early warning systems. This guide tells you how to get out. If you have been evicted, guys, if you have been a victim of eviction and they're using that, they sold it to a debt collector, they have you in court, all of these different things, guess what? This is the guide for you to use. Now, if you've been a part of a data breach, you definitely need the data breach forbidden AI playbook, because this is going to tell you what you need to do if you've been a part of a data breach and how you could quite possibly sue and get a different settlement. Child support, child support, child support. Guys, child support is fraud. We all know this. Child support is fraud. If you have child support, if you have child support, this is a complete guide that you can use from start to finish. And you could potentially, I'm not going to tell you that this is going to cancel your child support, but there are strategies in here that you can use to evaluate the process and, quite frankly, void the child support judgment. It is crazy the things that they do when people don't know their rights. A person that don't know their rights have no rights, right? Suing a creditor for false charge off or identity theft. So let's say that you put in an alleged identity theft on an account, right? But the creditor charged it off. Did you know that a creditor cannot charge off an account that's as a result of identity theft? So if you've had an account that's came from identity theft and they charge it off, this is what you need to get that account deleted. But not only that, it also has the templates and other motions and different, what should I say? it has the different tools and the statement of claims, the different templates that you're going to need to get that lawsuit done if you decide to sue them, right? Suing a credit reporting agency. So this is where we're talking about how to sue TransUnion, Equifax, Experian. It's round one dispute, round two dispute. How do you go to round sue? This breaks down how you sue TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Identity theft defense in debt collection. So let's say that you have an account that was a part of identity theft, right? And you would put in the information, you sent it in to the creditors, but they refused to block the information that came from identity theft. And now a debt collector is reporting this same account to your credit report. Yes, you can actually sue them for this. And this playbook gives you the step-by-step guide of how to get that done. There's about 125 different courtroom defense templates here, from motions to different counterclaims, different prompts, different things that you might do, court formalities. If you are in any way about to go to court, you definitely want to get a hold of this. If you're being sued for something, you definitely want to get hold of this manual. All right. Student loan, student loan, student loan. For everyone that has a student loan issue, this is the guide for you. If you have anything student loan related, this is the guide for you, because this is really going to break down the FERPA law. It's going to break down case laws. It's going to break down the strategies that you can use not only to get the student loans deleted, but quite possibly how you're going to sue these student loan servicers. We have the identity theft legal framework. This is very good for anyone that has identity theft or has experienced identity theft, or if you have any family or friends that's been a victim of identity theft, this is the thing that you're going to need, right? We have full legal defense module. Guys, listen, this is not legal advice. I'm not teaching to be a lawyer. I'm just teaching you how to get educated so you can defend yourself. And this full legal defense module, something that you do not want to overlook. If you're thinking of suing, if you're thinking of going to court, if you're thinking of grabbing a debt collector by the throat, this is what you need, this defense manual. And then the bonus section, the bonus case law review playbook and strategy. This is one of the most comprehensive bonuses that I've put together. You guys can use it. There's a ton of different case laws, interpretation, strategies, playbooks, dispute templates, a lot of different ways you can utilize case laws. It is right here in the case law review and strategy playbook. Litigation prompts. So litigation prompts, these are different prompts that you can use inside of the AI to help you out with crafting your statement of claims, getting your motions done, getting your counterclaims done, answering to a summons or a statement of claim. It's different things to help you out throughout the court process. This will be one of your most greatest thing. Now, this right here, the courtroom objection scripts, I love this, because if you ever wanted to say objection and you want to, like, this is the thing to use, man. I love this objection script. It is packed with so much great information. Definitely a needer if you're going to go to court. The litigation prompt vault is going to help you along with the litigation defense vault. Both work together hand in hand, and it's going to give you a complete confidence. It's going to give you that confidence when you're in court that, one, you're not going to be taken advantage of, two, you're not an idiot, three, it's going to just reinforce what you learn from my teachings. This is definitely the way to go. We have the AI law defense vault. We have the complete lawsuit defense arsenal. Guys, there's a lot of stuff in here, man. There's so much things in here for you. As you guys can see, I took a lot of time to create this for you guys. This will be one of the most comprehensive things that you've ever used. So when you're being sued, if you've been a part of identity theft, a guide for you to learn how to prompt AI, everything that you need to start your credit repair journey is here. You do not need to be a credit repair expert. All you have to do is read. That's my only requirement. Just read the document and follow the guidance. That's it. Read it and follow it. Use the prompts, learn the stuff. Guys, It's one of my best work. It really is one of my best work. And you're gonna see how much results you're gonna get from this. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much for going through this entire video. These are the things that you can use, guys. The old way of credit repair is gone. You don't need to do no more fake identity theft reports. You don't need to be a victim of human trafficking to get stuff deleted from your credit. You do not need any credit sweep. You do not need to be a credit repair guru. You do not need a lawyer. You do not need to be a consumer law expert. You can do this yourself. All you need to do is have a computer or have a phone, get the prompt, get the package that is right for you, go through the information, and you will see that in no time you can repair, rebuild, restore your own credit, sue debt collectors, sue a consumer reporting agency. Guys, you can print money off your credit report. So thank you very much. The link is in the bio. For those of you that want that coaching, I'm going to be teaching everything that you just saw on the website. There's a Forbidden AI Mastery course. I'll be teaching these product by product. So what each product that you saw, I'm going to be teaching them individually to my students inside of Forbidden AI. So if you're interested in becoming a part of the fastest growing consumer law and AI credit repair community, you definitely want to tap in. The link is below, or you can just call me. Well, no, no, don't call me because a lot of y'all gonna be calling me 2 o'clock in the morning. So no, no calling Durain. There's no calling Durain. Drop the drop the word AI in the chat. The links will also be in the description, guys. So you can be a part of the community. It's going to be an amazing experience. I'm going to be your guide, teaching you how to use AI, how to leverage AI. And I know a lot of the credit repair gurus are going to be very upset. TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian will be losing their minds. They won't know what's happening. And guess what? You always had this power. You did. The only difference is now AI means that you can bring this power faster. You can bring these actions faster. You can solve these problems faster. And that's what we're going to do. See you on the inside. The bottom is way too crowded. All the gatekeeping is gone. It is time to embrace the future. Artificial intelligence is here. Let's use it. Let's weaponize it. Let's get your items deleted. See you later.